Bogart Rippy, I'm over here in Marion, Ohio. It's the first Saturday of the month, so that means the Rod Knockers of Marion Car Club have their car show over here at the Rural King, which was an old, it's a former Lowe's home improvement building, and Rural King, did I say that? So they have an awesome gun shop in there, hunting, farming, really great shopping opportunities over on this side of town. And check out that's a throwback, ain't it? With a 3-cylinder, the Geo. And yeah, I got the top down. It's a top down evening. We're off of James Way, the Cyrus Shoe Mart, like a family run shoe store. There's a college, all kind of dining. So Rural King come out with their own brand of tractor. Never really worked my way around that. So Springer Softail, pretty sweet. And they have the mini sheds. It's been hard to keep the shelf stocked. The cruise in at 6:30 in the evening. The first Saturday through October, from 5 to 9. This is the first one I've been to. It's a beautiful Cadillac, the way the sun's hitting the pearl. This might be at the top end of the line of the tractors. A lot of people pulling out. I'm not sure. There's like a gathering area over here. So we're in this side of the. And then that bus, that's like that Lanley bought a bus like that. That black bus over there. That's a pretty good size rig. Over here, the Prius Club. Right, Harlow, you keeping warm in there, buddy? Okay. Yes. Oh man. Yeah, that's a big bus. So we're selling ice cream out there. Hi.
Shooting into the sun, I don't know.
Yeah, me neither. $67, no, $68. But this one has the Rhino liner. And we have the Marion County International Speedway. They're probably drag racing out here tonight. Still early, the 1st of May. These two guys just pulled out. Walk on down through here. Don't know what we're going to run into. A bucket. Rod Knockers Car Club. Some parts is parts. A rust bucket. We're Marion, Ohio, with the rust bucket. Oh wow, this thing's pretty cool. A Chevy SS. Short bed with a style side. I suppose those are fiberglass fenders in the back. A Plymouth from 41. A pre-war Plymouth. They got some really awesome hunting supplies in this store. There for a while they had biker leathers. Tools galore. So yeah, they're still running the front license plate there. I'd remove that myself, but. Oh, it's a Saturn. Okay, a Saturn Sky. I was thinking that was a Pontiac Solus. Yeah, beautiful. A Crown Vic. Actually, tonight at our Shady Bowl Speedway in the Graph, they're having Crown Vic races. But it looks like regular cars. They're racing Crown Vics at Shady Bowl tonight. They have a Crown Vic class. I don't know. But they got some pretty hot engines in them, I guess. Then we seen one that was like a Dale Earnhardt one. There's where they had to slam someone to the hood and cuff them. Right there. That's a bad night up at the bar. What's that? Okay. 69er. Z. I think that one we seen last night was a 302 engine. Pretty nice vehicle here from Toyota. A little bit of road grime on it. Well, that's what Sarah Wonderhussy rides in. Yeah, that looks like an unsafe motor vehicle. You couldn't even drive that in Pennsylvania. You wouldn't pass state inspection. Chevy 2. $65, $289, no, $283. It'd be a good pumpkin show parade car. Grand sport package. So this is a lowrider over here. Lowrider Riviera. 63. It's like bagged and then just dropped on the ground. It's a Buick Wildcat. No, it was a Riviera. A 70s. No. Oh wow, a big block Camaro. 1973. So yeah, that wasn't even a muscle car there for a while, and then because it was post emission. 427 Camaro. So yeah, it's a special built car, split bumper, 73. Nice. So anyway, that's the first row here at the car show, Rod Knockers Car Club, Marion, Ohio. At the Roll King. Saturday night. Thanks for watching.